Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Ofelia Zepeda's contributions to the field of linguistics are blank. Her many accomplishments include working as a linguistics professor and bilingual poet, authoring the first Tohono O'odham grammar book, and co-founding the American Indian Language Development Institute. So the text highlights how Ofelia Zepeda has many contributions to the field of linguistics, and these contributions are described as very great or significant or many. And these include being a linguistics professor, being a bilingual poet, authoring a grammar book, and co-founding an institute. So now let's look at the answer choices. A. Pragmatic. This is incorrect because pragmatic means dealing with practical matters, and as a whole, the field of linguistics isn't so much as a practical matter. Therefore, pragmatic wouldn't fit this blank, and thus A is incorrect. B. Controversial. This is incorrect because nothing in the text has any detail of being controversial. Therefore, controversial wouldn't properly fit this blank, and B must be incorrect. C. Extensive. This seems to be the correct answer because the description of the contributions of Ofelia Zepeda are rather extensive, where she worked as a linguistics professor, was a bilingual poet, authored a grammar book, and co-founded an institute. So these are many accomplishments, and these accomplishments can be described as extensive. So overall, C seems to be the correct answer. D. Universal. This is incorrect because universal means to apply to everything, but in this case, all of the contributions are focused specifically in linguistics, not other fields. Therefore, universal would not be the correct description for these contributions, and therefore D must be incorrect. So the correct answer is C.